I was able to get it started the other day. Took it for a spin around the house about 5 times mowing the grass. So I did get it going, so not too bad. Now I am still having some issues with it. It's still a bit backfiery and jerky and carrying on, and the next step from what I could see was going to be the valves. Now all the YouTube videos I was looking at had the valve casing at the back. This one obviously didn't have that. This kind of just, that's what I was looking at. So I looked at some more YouTube videos and I was able to find where they were working on older engines and the valve casing was here on the side. So you can see the valves in there, or the screws, whatever they are, and that being the one piston, and these things sort of pop in and out, whatever they do. Now, looking at it, obviously it's pretty black. A lot of stuff's been going on back there, so I guess I got to clean that. Not sure how. I'll look that up on YouTube. Now the other thing is to get these out. Now I've seen a few different ways in which they get them out, so I'm going to try that. I got an idea. I think I know how to get those gapped. I've tried. Now I've got a little gapping tool. This one here. It's pretty old, a bit rusty. I think that's set to, if I use that one there, let me have a look. I think that's got 3, was it 003 on it? 003. Now, which is below what's required, and none of these, you can't get that through. There's no gap there. And no gap up here, which is why this is probably not working properly. So I'm going to have to do, what do I call these things again? I don't know, whatever you call them. That's what I'm going to have to work on. I'm going to have to take these out, grind down those ends, clean up these, and I've seen they do something on the inside of this. Clean up that and see how we go. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. So where I'm up to, I've taken this out. I've put the spring back in. I have a clearance of 005. I think it's 006 is the requirement, but 005 is okay, so it's tight. For that one, and I believe it's 009, and this one goes in pretty good. Alright, so there you go. I don't like the fact this is all black, but I was too scared to take that one out. This one's a different setup to the top one. I wasn't 100% confident of getting it out, nor was I confident of getting it back in there, but the clearance is right. So anyway, we're going to leave it at that. We're going to put this thing back together. Now the other issue is I might need to get a new starter switch, as the screwdriver just turns around in circles now. So anyway, we'll get this back together and we'll take a look at that next. Bye for now. And the other day, I normally been using a screwdriver to start the mower, but now the screwdriver just goes in circles, so I can't use this anymore. It's just had it, unless there's some other way. I don't know how to hot wire that thing to get it started. So I've put my order in, $21. I'll get myself a new ignition and keys. I get to use a key this time. Okay, I think we're done. Everything's back together. So let's do the start. That's pretty good.